y'all can see from the title of this video, we gonna be making some of them lemon pepper wings. Yeah. Yes. Let me take a bite. What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel BmooreOnLife, where I get these recipes right, okay? Yeah, so today we're going to be making some lemon pepper wings, baby, okay? I love me some wings, but I don't have the money to just go out and get me some wings all the time. So you know what? We're going to make it right here at the crib, okay? Right here at the Casa de la Joya, okay? Yeah, so let's get into these ingredients. We got that black pepper. We got lemon pepper. We got that ground paprika for that color. We got the Louisiana hot sauce, just a dash, baby. We got that onion powder, garlic powder. We got that Cajun two-step. Usually I do the Louisiana, the Tony Chachere's, not Louisiana. I do the Tony Chachere's, but today we're going to try that Cajun fire. You know my boy, he got that YouTube channel. I love him. I found the seasoning at Walmart. It's pretty good. Check it out. Parsley flakes, and also we got our wings right here. I know it don't look like much on camera, but we got 2.5 pounds of wings right there. Majority flats, which I love. I'm a flat person. Y'all comment down below if you like flats or drummets. Let me know. I'm a flat person. I love flats. I don't know why. They are just amazing. Yes, so y'all, let's get into it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. Help the channel grow. Help it. I can't ask y'all enough. Let's get into it. All right, guys, let's go ahead and season up these wings. You gotta have that seasoning. So I'm gonna hit it with that Cajun two-step from my boy Stale Cracker. Okay, if you know, you know. That's my boy. His YouTube videos be good. All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that. Go in with that garlic powder. You know what I'm saying? Put that garlic powder. I love me some garlic powder, y'all. And some onion powder. Can't go wrong. That's like the base of seasoning. So now we gonna go in with that onion powder. Okay. Put a nice amount. And then we are going to go in with that paprika for the color. Okay. For the color. It really don't have no flavor, so really, it's only just added for color in most dishes. So we got that lemon pepper, and y'all, I got both of them seasonings, the paprika and this, from Dollar Tree. Okay, I'm all about saving money. I'm all about being frugal because in this economy you gotta be. Okay, so yeah, we got that lemon pepper right there. And it has a nice amount of salt, so I won't be adding any salt in, as well as the Cajun two-step that y'all seen me add by Stale Cracker. That one has salt in it too, so I won't be adding any salt to these wings. So also we are going to add some olive oil. Gotta have that olive oil so everything can stick to these wings whenever I get ready to put my hands in it. And we also go in with some extra ground black pepper, because I feel like that seasoning has way more lemon than it does black pepper. So I love black pepper. Black pepper it's an amazing spice. So go ahead and go in with your hands and mash all this together. Get it good and right and tight. And you can marinate this if you want to. You can go ahead and marinate. You can cook it like right now, you know. And I had forgot to tell y'all I added cornstarch to this. So you see my phone had died. So, and then at the beginning I don't think I told y'all, but yes, I added cornstarch so it can crisp up those wings. So now we're going to go in with our, can't believe it's not butter, because we don't want to clog our arteries. So that's about a stick of butter. Then we got our lemon pepper that we gonna add. And this is gonna be what we're gonna toss those wings in. So I didn't overly season my wings because we're gonna go in with that wet glaze, that lemon pepper, baby, with that butter. Okay, we're gonna go in with a little bit more black pepper. I know y'all probably like, man, but it's lemon pepper wings, okay? Pepper wings. All right? So we're gonna get it good and peppery. All right, so now we're going to go in with a little bit more of that two-step. And yes, this is going to be amazing, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And we also got some parsley flakes. Just to add a little pop, a little color. I know y'all probably thinking, like, she could have used fresh, but this is all I had. So now that we got that lemon pepper sauce out the way, we got our wings nice and seasoned. We're gonna go ahead and drop these up in this air fryer, and I oiled the bottom up. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I put a little oil at the bottom. I'm not a real big person on cooking spray, just because cooking spray has a lot of chemical. So I pretty much use olive oil, you know, in place of the cooking spray. So yeah. So you see me right here with my brush and my olive oil. I'm just gonna brush these lightly, and you know, it's gonna help them crisp up. Look at that, y'all. They look good already. Oh my goodness. If they wasn't still raw in the middle, I would take a bite. But I'm not, y'all. I'm not that greedy. But anyway, they are done cooking at this point. So you see me take these out. I'm taking them all out so I can get ready to toss them in that sauce, that lemon pepper sauce, baby. But we got a second batch. So let me go ahead and drop those in there really quickly because I'm hungry, y'all. I'm ready to eat, okay? I have been starving all day waiting for this meal to be done. And while we are placing these, I want to tell you guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you like the content. I really appreciate it. So you see me just repeating the process, putting a little olive oil to coat these wings so they can get extra crispy. Okay, yes. I love me a crispy wing. I can't stand no soggy wing. Got to be crispy. And here's the final product. You see that? Oh yeah. I'm not gonna say final product, but this is the final of this air fryer crisping up these wings like that. Look at that. Look at that. They just sound crunchy when I'm tossing them in this bowl. And I'm going to let y'all hear the sound of this crunchiness. If I can't scrape my fork across it like that, I don't want it. It got to be crunchy. So we're going to go in with that sauce, baby, that we made earlier. Also, we're going to go in with that Louisiana hot sauce because I like a little hot. I like a little lemon pepper hot. I don't know, man. Gotta have a little hot sauce. What y'all think? Drop in the comments below if you ever had your lemon pepper wings with a little Louisiana hot sauce. That's it. It's super simple, y'all. I'm going to conclude this video right here. I'm about to dive into these wings. I hope y'all can make these. Try these at your house. It's super simple, super easy to make. Get into it, baby.